Hey guys, today's the 14th of January 2023. We're on the beach again. It is Saturday afternoon. We're fishing garvies. We're going to see what's going to happen. It is going low tide now. Low tide will be at 2:10. So let's see what we can catch. We're only fishing drop shots, so hopefully some fish come up and we'll check what happens. Water's looking okay. Waves are not too big, so we should be able to get to some good spots. So we'll let you know. We'll catch you on the camera as soon as we get something. Thanks guys. Hey guys, there's plenty of pamphlets here. I even put a bigger jigger or bigger hook on a 116-pound jigger, and they're still trying it, the flagtail. I was hoping to get rid of the small fish, but I guess that's just garvies for you. Anyway, let's go for a cast. Let's see what happens. Guys, I'm going to change the spot. I don't want pamphlets and flagtails. I want something bigger. The water's looking so nice, we can actually get further out. So I want to try to get out to the better looking water. So I'll check you now. Thanks guys. Alright guys, put it on camera. Right there. First biggest fish for today, pamphlet. Can't be fussy. Cheers. Just try to put the camera on record. Maybe we get something nice. I'll be hoping something's nice gonna bite. We're gonna try. Alright, next cast, let's try. Probably get stuck because I'm on camera now. There was a pull. Was a bite, should I say? only problem here, guys, you can't really let it sink too long because of all the rocks. Otherwise you're gonna start losing tackle and it gets a bit expensive. So, but you just got to try, persist, and see if something chows it. Bite. There what? There's something. There's like another pamphlet. Yep, another pamphlet. There you guys, another pamphlet. Hey. Relax, you're going back. Pamphlet. For release. The last time we fished here, Tristan lost something nice. He said it was about a 4-kilo shad. So let's hoping something like that is lurking around here. I don't know. The pamphlets are here. The shad are normally here too. Wait, another bite. Let's chance a little bit more. Get in the danger area. There we are. Another flying pamphlet. Quick release. Guys, actually want to try and get there, but the water's still a little bit high. It's not dead low yet, so we'll check. We'll fish out a little bit, wait for the tide to go a little bit more. There was a bite. I'm actually looking for like a 2 or 3 kilo wrasse. I think that'll be a good fight. Something took me nice there. Right, throw a little bit further. Let's see what happens. Oh, I missed it. Try to swap to this side. Probably get stuck because there's a lot of rocks here. something decent. Those are bigger pamphlets. Ah, it's a blacktail. First blacktail for today, the 14th of January. Blacktail, guys. Let's go for release. Swimming nicely. There, what? Gone. Oh, that looks like on a rock. On a rock there. Ooh, that was a nice bite. Oh, on off. On off. Oh, on off again. Now. Alright guys, we'll catch you just now when I get something else. Shot. Alright guys, new spot. Hey, on. Not too sure what it is. Feels bigger than a pamphlet or a flagtail. Hey, it's a wave garrick. Awesome. Oh, I think this is the biggest wave garrick I've caught. Ina, it's poking me. There you guys. Wave garrick. Awesome little fish. Hope it doesn't come at my hands. Let's go for release, guys. Nice wave garrick. Hopefully there's more here. Oops. again. Ooh. Oh, off. Off, guys. Oh. This wave going got boxing here. As soon as it hits the water, you're on. Wait, there what? On again. Oh, it's off again. There's like a whole shoal of them. You see it right there. Alright guys, we're going to keep walking down to another spot. We'll see you there. Sorry guys, got it off camera. But that's our big blacktail. I wish I was doing a catch and cook today. Big blacktail, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try to see. Yes. There we are. Big blacktail. Let's go for a release. Let's try to get one on camera. Oh! That was a massive pull there. Another one. Oh, I chopped my tail off. The blacktail seems to be hungry, but we'll see. Huh? Guys, let me change my lure. When I get something again, I'll let you know. Thanks, guys. I don't know. Hey guys, Tristan's first throw. We just came here now. Walk it quickly. Brought himself a bronze bream. On drop shot, 1/16 ounce jig head with an olive pearl paddle tail. Ish, ish. Awesome fish, guys. See if you can hold us. There. Fine. Lovely fish. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hey, the sun. There you guys. First throw.
Hello guys, we have Garvey's copper bream, put on a 1/16 olive pearl. What a beauty, man! Look at this, beautiful fish. First ever copper bream.
Lovely fish, Tristan. Alright guys, that was the catch of the day. Tristan's bronze bream was his first cast at a new spot. Awesome catch. How's the teeth on that thing? Ah. Alright guys, so that's our session for today. Our fish camp for today was obviously some flagtails, pamphlets. I caught 1-2 wave garrick, and yeah, that's obviously the main catch. Was Tristan's one, was the bronze bream. Was his first one ever on drop shot, ultralight. Yeah guys, please consider to subscribe to Tristan's channel as well, and FR Fishing Durban. Tristan's channel is
TRV Fishing Durban.
TRV Fishing Durban. Yeah, guys, we really really appreciate the support. We're not trying to make money out of it. We're just doing it for local fun and just to make you guys entertained, keeping you guys on your catch, keeping you busy. Thanks, guys. We'll probably be on the beach again tomorrow, and yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.